Hey, what's up, Chiliz Holder? So what's going on? This is very urgent video for Chiliz Holder, especially for Chiliz Holder. So keep watch this video. I tell you, my friends, the prediction of Chiliz today going up in upcoming days, or they fails down more. Absolutely, the result is very bad, my friends. They fails down continuously in the last 7 days. So therefore, every holder tell us, please tell us, please they're going up or they fails down more. Please, we are trying to sell it. Therefore, I think, my friend, if you are sell it this time, absolutely you are wrong. So kindly, before watch this video, don't sell it or don't hold it. Okay, my friend. Let's come to, first of all, I want to show you, my friend, this time the crypto market result. Crypto market 7.7% there. My friend, Bitcoin very bad fails down, and also Ethereum fails down. You can see here every cryptocurrency is very badly fails down, my friend. So what's the reason, my friend? The reason is that I think everyone is selling now. So therefore, every cryptocurrency very badly fails down, my friend. And also the share is also in this condition, my friend. Today are completely fails down, my friend. Okay, let's come to the start video, my friend. First of all, I do a prediction today going up in upcoming days or they fails down. Absolutely, this is very important, my friend. Yeah, this time you can see here I'm right, and the last 7 days they very badly fell down, minus 28.32% they fails down, and the latest price, remember this price, $0.8 and the CEO of Chiliz coin as target $1, my friend. I hope they can hit it. This is absolutely very easy target for this, but if they're starting moving up, my friend, if you can see here, my friend, if I draw a line, my friend, this time you can see here they completely after a fail they take a jump. You can see here after jump they fails down again. You can see here this is the circulation. This is the circulation, and my friend, after this falls they also take a jump. So this is, remember, to after this falls they also take a jump. After a jump they fails down, and after a fails they take a jump, and after a jump they fails down. You can see here, but this time also they take a jump after a fail. So my friend, I hope the good time is coming soon, and upcoming days they're going up like a rocket, and they take again very high jump, my friend. So let's see in the last 1 hour to they gone up and they've gone again falls down, my friend. Absolutely, my friend. Let's see. Please like this. Oh my goodness, I can't believe this. I'm right, my friend. You can see here in the last 1 hour plus 3.18% they're going up. Congratulations, everyone. 0.407 $819 at this time very badly falls down and decrease. The price is very badly decreased, my friend. Decrease. The price of very badly decreased, and for the last 7 days from $8 $0.8 to $0.4 very badly far. But this time you can see they're going like a rocket. They're going up completely. They're starting moving up. Congratulations, Chiliz Holder. Congratulations, everyone. Please don't sell it. I tell you, please don't sell it. And this time, absolutely, people are starting buying. So I hope in upcoming days, in the last 7 days and the end of this month, I hope they give you a very good profit, my friend. They make you millionaire. So thanks for watching. See you, Chiliz Holder. Please like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos.